How to count from 0 to 100 in Chinese? Let's start with 0 to 10. Chinese people use a different hand gesture. I will present here. 0, 零 1, 一 2, 二 3, 三 4, 四 5, 五 6, 六 7, 七 8, 八 9, 九 10, 十 I list all the number from 0 to 10 and let's try one more time. 零 一 二 三 四 五 六 七 八 九 十 Let's continue from 11 to 19. It's really easy because it all makes sense. For example, 11 is 10 and 1, right? So 10 in Chinese is 十, 1 in Chinese is 一, so 11 in Chinese is 十一. What about 12? 12 is 10 and 2. 10 in Chinese is 十, 2 in Chinese is 二. So it's 十二. So with this pattern, it's really easy to understand. 11, 十一 12, 十二 13, 十三 14, 十四 15, 十五 16, 十六 17, 十七 18, 十八 19, 十九 Let's go through one more time. 十一 十二 十三 十四 十五 十六 十七 十八 十九 Good job! This time let's learn how to say from 20 to 100. It's 二 This one is 十 三十 20 二十 30 三十 40 四十 50 五十 60 六十 70 七十 80 八十 90 九十 100 一百 Let's repeat one more time. 二十 三十 四十 五十 六十 七十 八十 九十 一百 You almost learned everything from 0 to 100. But do you know how to say 21? For example, 21 is 20 and 1, right? How to say 20 in Chinese? 二十 How to say 1 in Chinese? 一 So together is 二十一 What about 56? 50 is 五十 6 is 六 Together is 五十六 You got this! If you remember how to say from 0 to 10, you remember everything from 0 to 100. It's quiz time, so let's see whether you can remember this. Okay, the first one, 7. 七. Okay, next one, 18. 18. Then 36. 36. Then 45. 45. 59. 59. 61. 61. 77. 77. Did you get this right? Later, you can write some numbers on the paper and try to read it in Chinese. I'm really happy that every class you are learning something new with me. I will see you in the next class. Bye!